Hello everybody, and welcome to Ecom Street. For those of you visiting this channel for the first time, be sure to subscribe as this is the best way to see when we upload a new video. Now, to cut to the chase, what is it exactly that we do? How do we make our money online? Well, let us show you. We create and run multiple online businesses which are essentially online stores powered by a website hosting company called Shopify. On our Shopify stores, we find products from overseas, in China, on wholesaling websites like AliExpress, and list them on our stores for a higher price. After a customer buys a product from our website, we take the money earned from that sale and spend a small fraction of it on the product from AliExpress and ship it to them directly. This is the baseline business model of dropshipping, and some people like to call it having the middleman position in the business model. For more information on exactly how we acquire these customers and what strategies we use to do this in the best way possible, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and also check out other videos that we have already uploaded on our channel. Well, there you have it. This is what we do here at Ecom Street every single day, and our main vision is to teach as many people as possible in our community and how they can do this as well. So, stay tuned, enjoy the content, and we'll see you guys very soon.